What's up, YouTube family?
What's going on, YouTube family? How y'all doing this evening? Back at y'all once again with a challenge, husband and wife edition. Tell them what's the name of it. What we gonna do today?
It's raw versus cook challenge. If you pull a piece of paper out of here, blindfolded first. You don't gotta be blindfolded. Close your eyes, and if you pull, y'all can see. You pull cook, you get the cook food. If you chose raw, you gotta get the raw food. So, and the things that we have to eat is in here. So y'all will see that one each time that person turn.
Yeah, y'all. Okay. So how we gonna?
Who gonna go first?
I don't know. So I'm not.
Ladies goes first. So close your eyes.
So how? Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
I mean, ladies first. I close. Okay, I go first. Right, you close your eyes. No, I close my eyes.
Right,
okay. Man. All right, my time. Let me close my eyes first. So I gotta pick the big piece of paper first.
Yeah.
Where is that? Lay the bowl down. What you doing? Come on, mix it around.
I'm gonna make something that's only two. Can't go no other way. Can't go no other way.
I'm trying to choose the cooked. Yeah, got him. All right. So I'm just going to put that back in now. Okay, I gotta close my eyes.
I gotta choose the cooked food for you. So that's the
rules. No, it's not. I pull from here to see what I gotta eat. That's the rules. I got hot dog.
Oh,
cooked hot dog. Yes, I get to eat a hot dog.
They don't go back in.
I got hot dog.
Don't do it.
Oh no, I don't. Oh, you gotta eat the raw dog. There you go. That's your raw. Oh, I'm about to set this up.
Oh wow.
And it got mustard on there, y'all.
I gotta take my teeth out, y'all. Y'all know how it is. Y'all seen the first video. Luke? Okay. Did you at least warm it up?
You don't warm it up. Now eat it raw.
Should have been warm though, man.
That ain't the point of the game.
Long took you eating raw too.
It's still warm.
It's good.
Your hot dog sound crunchy.
Yeah. They had a cold.
You don't eat it. It can't be cold. It gotta be raw.
Okay.
Your time. Close your eyes.
Oh snap! Let's go. Oh.
Oh, you wow. Dang. Raw. 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 You got raw again. I got cooked.
Me again.
You just got raw.
Right on. Right on. But man, I think you just I mean
Babe, just gone. And cool what you gotta eat.
Man.
Hope it's that one. You gotta eat raw cookie dough.
You see, I'm gonna tell you. Now this really easy, y'all. This is really easy because you know when y'all was a kid, when we was all kids growing up around the kitchen with mama while she cooking and baking for the holidays, and you gotta lick that bowl with that frosting on there, or as this is cookie dough. Can't eat too much; it might stop my heart.
Stop your heart.
Too much dough. Don't need too much dough.
If anything, it's gonna give you high cholesterol.
Stop my heart too much. They say all. It didn't say all. It
I
say
ain't say all. Eat as much as I'm eating.
Let me get a little piece of that.
No, sir. You ain't. Ish. All right. That was good.
Okay.
My turn.
Close them Chinese eyes.
I'm trying to cheat now.
Cheat. There you go.
I'm just playing, y'all. Let me see. Cooked again. You got raw. Got to be more careful. Come on, that one. Come on, that one.
Man.
Dang.
What? What's wrong?
I gotta get it out the refrigerator. One moment, y'all.
Lord. We ain't got no pause button, so y'all, we're gonna talk to y'all. Look, so I ain't got really nothing really to say what I heard. That's crazy. We're like, hey, I'm just, oh Lord.
Yeah, I forgot that. Okay, now. That's how you know. That's how y'all know how real we are. Because if we gotta go do something, we're gonna go do it in the middle of the camera, in the middle of recording. We too real. Phone dang on good.
See, I want y'all to comment. Do y'all think we need our own reality TV show? What's that?
Oatmeal.
Comment and let us know. I think I need to be on BET or something. The cooking channel for you. I need a spoon, bro, because I ain't gonna just dump this in my mouth. You got me messed up, man.
Well, put that stuff in your hand and eat it. Same way you used to do Kool-Aid with sugar.
I ain't did that. That was ghetto.
You did, because I sure did.
That was ghetto. Oh, they got
who all ate Kool-Aid with some sugar in the packet and you ate it with your hand? You ate on your hand. Your hand was all colorful and stuff because you know everybody. I need a spoon.
How about who all ate? Man, I love pickles. I got like 3-4 jars in there right now. I used to eat, man, put the little peppermint in there, put the little Kool-Aid around it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Man, and just tear it up, man, for real. Look at that. Raw oatmeal. While she over there eating some good peach oatmeal. That's all right.
So good. So good.
You got a whole taste on it when it ain't even water, man.
Yeah. I'm glad it wasn't for me.
It's on me?
Yeah.
So, man, okay, come on. Oh.
Nah, I think you cheat. You ain't mixed that around.
I did, man.
That's what I had on top.
So,
it better not
I
be
just
cooked.
suck it, man.
No, you got me messed
Man.
up. I'll shake it up. No.
Man, don't do that.
No, you cheated.
Good.
All right, go ahead.
No, you cheated, man.
Man.
No, hold on.
You cheated. That was on
Hold on.
top.
So I'm supposed to be cooking me raw every time?
No, but you're supposed to shake it up.
I did shake it up. Don't do that.
Okay.
But people heard it.
You hollering don't make it right. You hollering to get your point don't make it right.
All right.
Okay? Now, come on, pull your thing. You got to cook. Nine. Yeah. What? You said it?
Oh Lord. She get raw. And I get the cooked eggs, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you gotta chug that.
You a lie. I don't got to chug
it ain't gonna be right. Ain't no spoon.
You need a what's wrong with you?
No. I'm glad. Yeah. That's what you waiting on? That's what you waiting on?
No, this what you was waiting on.
No?
This was your idea.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, you was.
I waiting on them. I'm gonna like some.
You was waiting on me to. You was waiting on me to have to do this egg because I know you didn't ask. You didn't say mention this, so you can do it.
It's good too. I thank you.
What?
I thank you.
Man. Oh my God. I'm about to Earl.
You gotta chug it.
Shut up. Don't tell me what to do.
If I eat all them, you gotta eat all that, right? Bet.
Nope. I ain't eating shit, girl. Boy, you better go on.
Emma Jean. Chug it. You gotta chug all of it. No, you just put that stuff on your lip, man. Don't do that. No, man. Nuh-uh. That's the same lip, man. Come on. Babe. Come on, man. Put that all in there your mouth. And then the cheese still up there. You gotta stir that around, man. Look. Come on, make that happen. You gotta swallow it, son.
You're not about to cheat me like that. Don't you see it went down? That means I drunk it. It ain't really, it's not bad.
It's not? Go ahead, chug it. I'm glad I ain't doing it. I know how to taste bitter.
It's really not bitter. Cause you know why? You know why it's not bitter?
Why?
Because I seasoned that thing. That shit tastes good. I mean, that stuff tastes good. I seasoned it. I put some salt and pepper in that thing. Actually tastes pretty good.
It did. Excuse me, y'all. That's nasty.
All right, Jesus.
Nobody knows cheese.
Woo. No, actually, you gonna mix it around, cause
This is exactly what I
you
did.
cheat. No, mix around. You're lying. You got this. You got it right on top.
Okay, there you go.
Raw. Damn. I mean, dang, I got raw. Okay. Raw what? Raw shrimp.
Right on. Let me get them seasons over there. You hear me? Come on, man.
Okay, put this stuff up. You gonna get it? Dang, you thirsty.
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go. Eat.
Did you even season the mix?
Yeah, they season. You looking at the season on them. It's your beard.
Wind up. That's good. Too cold.
Anybody say they gotta be warm, they gotta be cooked. Oh my. It actually tastes good though.
Do y'all see the difference between
I like some butter.
a non-cooked shrimp versus when they get fried up? Like, we paid for this. When we look at the bag, oh, them big. When you cook them, they look like this.
Excuse me. Let me get some of that butter dip. Man. Butter tastes good then.
You everything. Let's believe that. We went to, man, and my daughter, y'all. You know, I love Chinese food, don't get me wrong. Even, you know what I mean, a little bit or whatever. We got one more girl?
Yeah, we got one more to go.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we gotta see. Okay, but anyways, so you know the house special supposed to be, man. They had that house special dry than the sandpaper. You hear me, man?
What you talking about?
That house special rice. That wasn't right. So I got told that.
What you talking about? Oh, what you talking about anyway? The fried rice food?
Yeah, from the Chinese joint. I'm talking about how people be cooking the food, like taking time with it. You hear me?
Oh, okay. Check that thing up. No, actually, let me do it. Close your eyes.
There better be 2 in there. The camera watch.
Your time.
Cook. Yes, indeed. And she gets oysters. I'm quite sure y'all know how this tastes, and it's finna go down. She got the main 2 ingredients, y'all, that I really picked, and I want her to eat the raw of it. But
Man, what happened about you?
So is it meat on it?
I ain't saying nothing. You picked it. Just because it's cooked don't mean it's gonna be better.
Right.
Oh, we
About to go up there
oh my.
Hey, yo. Okay.
Mm.
These are oysters. So if I like it, I might be messing with it, but only one.
No. No, only one. Eat them,
man.
Eat them.
No, only one. My high blood
Eat
pressure,
'em.
man. My high blood pressure. That's too much salt in there. Eat them.
Nope. You won. You ate one.
Ew. Like little hearts.
Don't do that. I'm an Earl. You taste one.
No. That ain't the plan.
Please. I'll take one of yours.
You can have them. What the fuck? Oh my God, you're
I'll taste one. And I'll taste one you had. Come on, baby. Taste it.
No, I got some bitter in my mouth.
Taste
No, I'm not tasting it.
Taste it. Come on. Ain't nothing drink by you. You ain't grabbing nothing. Come on.
I know, I can't.
Come on
Because
now.
I already got this on me. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't do them like that. Taste this. You gonna taste for them?
You gonna taste for them?
You gonna taste for them?
No, let's do like later in the trunk.
Oh. No. Hell no. You like smush stuff in people's mouth.
I ain't gonna smush. I'm gonna take my time.
Okay, let me hold on. Let's aim.
I don't want that fork. You use your hand at least.
You want on the spoon. It's not that's
Whatever.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
I gotta eat this, you gotta eat that.
This some nasty stuff. Said that. I hold it.
Why you do that? I swallow mine. You dirty bug. Oh, you was a dirty bug. You a dirty bug.
Message. Okay.
These the jumbo ones.
Oh, that's what happened when the 2 cans. One was different.
Yeah, one was medium and one was regular. These the mediums and them the.
So like I ate 2 of them. Then if yours is smaller than mine, basically, I ate 2.
Man, raw. It's best to only eat that one. That one gonna make you suffer. These cook so you got a better chance to taste it better. You got flavors in it.
Yeah, flavors won't even matter. I still won't even like really have another time around with that. But just give me an idea.
I'm not feeling good.
Ooh. Cause you dropped them.
I'm not feeling good.
You dropped the egg, yo. That's what it is. I knew it was gonna happen. That shit. You supposed to throw it up.
Don't say that. Don't say you throw up.
Okay. So.
Dang.
We want to talk to y'all about the comments.
Somebody got my phone.
You use your tablet? We'll go get the phone real quick.
Well, we can use my tablet.
Yeah, and then you can just read them off from there. So we want to comment on some of the comments that you guys had, on our videos. So that's what's finna go on right now. So y'all just be patient just a little few minutes. Second. She don't know where to go, y'all. I'm just joking. You go to me.
Yeah, I gotta excuse the kids in the background. Told y'all this is real. We got some real stuff going on.
They always
kids are always hollering.
They're gonna be really hollering in a minute.
Okay, we're gonna do the
turn the sound down.
The first video first. The latest video first.
Okay.
Man, I just don't. Not feeling.
And it's better too. I like how it just.
Okay, we're gonna do 3 comments, and it's y'all are what we gonna name this? What we say we're gonna name this?
We acknowledging y'all.
Acknowledging our subscribers. Okay. So let's see. Okay, to the person, I think Mason mentioned we should do tags in our video. That is a darn good idea, to use tags in our videos. So by us being new YouTubers, we still trying to figure things out. So that I'll check into that, and that's not a bad idea. So I appreciate you for mentioning that, Mason.
Right, I appreciate you.
Okay.
The latest one with the girls that I was stupid, so I want
to. She-Mac.
She
said, James, the more stupid you act, and your lovely wife is trying to correct you, but you can't hold her laugh because you make her laugh. Thank you, hon.
And we appreciate that. Yeah, I wouldn't be me if I wasn't stupid. You feel me? The stupid thing that I do it's me. You know what I mean? I don't care. Something I say out my mouth I just say. So
he say whatever comes in his mind.
You hear me?
And at the time, he don't think about it. He don't think about what he say first. He just say.
So that's just me.
Everybody else. The other one is all the WWE fans. Thank you for your support. I really do appreciate your support and things you said. Being just as mad as we is about how YouTube, allow certain things to be, put on the internet. I mean, on their platform, and they getting ads for it, they getting paid for it, and the people who just trying to, make people laugh and do hot challenges.
That's what we're doing. Yeah, that's basically what our channel's about.
Take funds away from us, But you got all this stuff going on, and they don't mind it. They smoke and drugs. They mentioning this and that, doing this and that, and it's okay,
My opinion on the industry, they promoting
not
violence.
The industry. You said that last video. We're not gonna go into industry.
Okay.
Because you said that last video.
Okay.
Right. So we talking about YouTube sales. I want to say what I want to say, but
go ahead.
Okay, that's the rest of what he said.
Thanks for correcting me. What? Appreciate that. I know you said that last. Like you're looking at the bloopers.
I ain't looking at no bloopers.
Like, he just talked about it. Okay, so.
Okay, She-Mac also coming. She coming again. She said, "I really miss the videos of the challenges. How you react on each other. That's it." Okay. I like your comment, which is why we did a challenge today. Now, if that's what y'all really like for us to do is challenges and stuff like that, then we will do more challenges. Because I prefer to do challenges anyway. Let's see.
Yeah, we got to do one more because she was 1 and 2, so.
Oh, Coco Cabana. She said, I like to see more vlogging. So, it's kind of hard to vlog, y'all, because we have a 3-year-old grandchild and we have a 9-year-old daughter, and they argues all the time.
And I know y'all don't want to hear that.
I mean, all the time. Like, it be so wild in this house that we would get irritated and want to cut the camera off because, you know, it'd be so wild in here. I wouldn't mind do vlogging, but it would have to be like me and him vlogging in our car, sitting in the car and talking, because it's better that way. Y'all not gonna be able to hear nothing, because them kids gonna drive y'all crazy. Y'all gonna be like, I ain't watching that. Y'all gonna turn it off.
Man, why they want to tell them kids to shut up?
Mm-hmm.
Man, I know they hear them kids crying. So
okay, Mason, you said maybe y'all should make gaming videos or something like that. Gaming, I'm not a gaming type of person. Now, if I play some games, it'll be games that's on my tablet. I do not play games on consoles. He played like NBA 2K or something like that, but
I'm too old to be doing the gaming, y'all. I mean, I gotta ask somebody, oh, how you do it? So, hey, it's simple for me to put my game on, cut it on, and just play it. So, the gaming is not really for me. I might, you know what I mean, like to watch it, other people gaming, because it's fun, hear them talking and screaming. Until I get the good technology into doing it, I might just try it out. But for now, no. We just continue with the challenges and little blogging and what else. Maybe hopefully pranks one day.
Right. If y'all see, I wish I can show them clearly the picture, because I be coming on some of their comments too, telling them thank you, and it be me on another page.
Right.
If y'all see Irish Simmons posted, I mean, you know, mention y'all in the comment, or told y'all thank you by y'all comments or under your comments, that's me. So y'all won't be like, who's this saying thank you? You wasn't in the video. Yeah. Okay. We did that. For now on, we're gonna start doing this. This is
after every
great.
video, we're gonna acknowledge. Yeah. Our subscribers.
Only the good comments. I ain't no negativity.
The bad comments too, because our first video, the one chip challenge, some woman, she was screaming, I guess with the emojis. Oh, you out your mind? Y'all crazy doing the video? I told her, you can go find it somewhere else.
No, that's not negative.
No. I mean, well, that's you should see. But it was negative to me.
So I tell you what, you can do the negative comments. If they negative, I'll slide them right towards you.
Period.
All right, I'm doing only positive comments, because that's who need to be acknowledged. I'll support it. The real support.
I changed that up. I'm not gonna say nothing about the negative comments. We're gonna leave that where it's at. So after every video we do, you guys, we're gonna acknowledge you guys. Okay. So if y'all like this video, comment below, hit that subscribe, notification bell, and hit that like button.
Yes.
Make sure.
And y'all, I want us to eventually do a Q&A. So if y'all have any questions y'all want to ask us, either it's about us or whatever, y'all can ask them. We will try.
Or how we get to where we get today. Just any question y'all want to ask, or whatever.
Not how we got to how we got to today. Marriage. Yeah. How far marriage been? I mean, from the first years up until now. Yeah, but you need correction sometimes. So.
You correct me. That one need to be corrected.
Yes, because you said. What did you say?
What I say?
What you just said. You said you knew I ain't had to correct you, so you obviously knew what you said.
Oh man, look, we gonna leave it alone.
Right, because you ain't know what the heck you just said.
But let's go.
Okay.
So, it's so funny, man. Okay, so we done with the eating. Gotta pop my teeth back in. We love
what
y'all.
What the heck?
We love y'all, and we love the support. Keep on coming with the comments and the subscribers. Tell your people to subscribe to us. And we're going to keep on coming with these good videos. We love y'all. Man, I wish I could just hug y'all, man. Peace. Oh, hold on.
Love y'all. Hell, this man, you funny as heck.